Modern air power doesn't begin with fighters. It begins with fuel. And behind every long-range strike, every patrol, every mission that goes further than expected, there is one aircraft making it possible. The KC-135 Stratotanker. A platform that doesn't fight, but makes every other aircraft more lethal. The KC-135 Stratotanker is the backbone of U.S. Air Force aerial refueling. Introduced in the late 1950s, it has remained in continuous service for decades. Its mission is simple: extend the range and endurance of combat aircraft. Fighters, bombers, reconnaissance platforms all rely on the KC-135 to stay in the fight longer. The KC-135 uses a flying boom system controlled by a boom operator who guides the refueling nozzle into a receiving aircraft. At high altitude, often in darkness, sometimes in contested airspace, fuel is transferred in mid-air, allowing aircraft to continue their mission without ever landing. In modern operations, aerial refueling is not optional. It is essential. In reported missions such as Operation Midnight Hammer and Operation Epic Fury, aircraft required extended range and time on station. The KC-135 provided that capability, enabling strike packages to reach distant targets, remain on mission longer, and return safely. Without refueling support, those missions would be severely limited or impossible.
Random 1, you're clear contact.
Clear contact, Random 1.
The true power of the KC-135 is not what it carries, but what it enables. It allows fighters to project power across continents. It allows bombers to strike without forward bases, and it allows commanders to operate with flexibility, unpredictability, and reach. In many ways, the tanker is the force multiplier. Behind modern air warfare, the KC-135 Stratotanker may not fire weapons or engage enemy aircraft, but its impact is undeniable. It extends the fight, supports the mission, and ensures that air power that can go further and stay longer than ever before. Quietly, consistently, it remains one of the most important aircraft in the United States Air Force.